Okay, here is the garage, and all of the snow, and the contrast is really bad because it's so bright. You can see it's quite deep. There is the shrubbery. Yeah, there's quite a bit of snow there, and that would be from all the snow blowing around and making banks everywhere. You can see the guy's 4-foot drive across the street. Back off here a bit. Neighbor almost made it out of his driveway. The main road, you can see no one has left our neighborhood. The main road has one lane, and you can see a couple guys walking down the road. There's a car that tried to get out in the snow, I guess, at some point earlier, and is just there. And you see no tracks from it because they all got filled in. And lots and lots of snow. There's my measuring stick, a bucket. Fine video camera work.